Want to change the time zone on your iPhone manually? Here's a simple guide to adjust your time zone settings, perfect for when you're traveling or want to override automatic settings. Let's dive in. Step 1. Turn off Set Automatically. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap General, scroll down, tap Date and Time, toggle Set Automatically off, which allows you to set the time zone manually. After turning off Set Automatically, tap Time Zone. Enter the city or region for the time zone you want to select. Tap on your desired time zone from the search results. Once you've set the time zone, go back to the main date and time screen to confirm the change. Check your device's time to ensure it reflects the chosen time zone accurately. That's it. You've successfully set your iPhone's time zone manually. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for our next video.